Good evening to you. After a thoroughly disappointing week of weather, and that's an understatement for some of us, the chance of brighter skies set to return tomorrow. In the meantime, brisk, at times gusty winds and gales, yet more wet weather, some of the rain intense, heavy and thundery, and feeling increasingly chilly as we approach the weekend. Strong gusty winds and gales for parts of the north and the west as the week draws to a close, and yet another fresh deluge of rain through the end of the week and the start of the weekend. And then we draw in much colder air through the second half of the weekend, the return to frosty nights, and staying very windy with yet more wet weather waiting in the wings as we head into Sunday. As for the next few hours, strong gusts with gales in exposed northern and western spots, and a good deal of wet weather to come in the form of intense, prolonged downpours, thundery with hail in places, and together with those howling winds, a noisy night on the cards for some of us. A switch in the wind direction across northern Scotland, making it feel colder here. The downpours turning increasingly wintry with sleet and snow across the highest routes. Blowing snow here, giving some poor visibility and lows of just 2 or 3 degrees. A little lower in the countryside. And for all of us, a chillier start into Friday morning. The sunshine is short supply initially, staying really quite windy out there with blustery, gusty downpours rolling through the north and the west, intense and thundery with a chance of hail once more. A wintry mix of sleet and snow falling across higher ground of northern Scotland where it stays cold all day. For the rest of us, a very chilly theme as we end the week. The temperature's likely to struggle, but a better chance of brighter skies set to return. Some cheerful winter sunshine for many of us.